Hello friends, this video is about restore points in Windows 10. Everyone should know about this feature, because it can really save your PC from reinstalling Windows in case of bad updates or installing corrupt drivers and programs. You will see how to create and delete restore points, how to return a computer to the past, and what to do if this function doesn't work. Subscribe to the pcnp channel and let's get started. To open the restore point settings quickly, write in the search or simply open the start and type restore. Click Create Restore Points. You will see System Protection tab from System Properties. Here is a list of disk partitions, and now recovery is enabled on partition C, where Windows is. You can click the Configure button and manually disable or enable protection on any partition. But it makes sense only where Windows is. In the same window, you can select how much space to allocate to restore points and see how much disk space is currently used. And the Delete button will clear all the previous points. If you see any malfunctions in the system after updating, installing a driver or program, you can click the Repair button. This is a recommended restore point on March 20. It was made before a system update. If we continue, this update will be cancelled. Also, you can select Restore Point from list. Click the Scan for affected programs and you will see which programs and drivers will be removed after returning to March 20. Check if there is a corrupt driver, for example, and restore. Continue if you want to complete the restore process. Sometimes the system crashes so badly that it just won't start. Then the same can be done through the recovery menu. If Windows is broken, it will start automatically. Or you can enter this menu through the installation disk or Windows USB flash drive. This video will tell you more about how to make it. You need to select Repair, then Troubleshoot, and then there is the System Restore using a restore point. Also, you can create a restore point manually. Then the current state of the system will be saved. To do this, click the Create button. Write a name for the point, and in a minute it will already be in the list of restore points. How to schedule regular creation of restore points on your own schedule. In the start, write the task or scheduler and open the task scheduler. At the left column, open folders Task Scheduler Library, Microsoft, Windows, System Restore. There is SR file. Open it. Go to the Triggers tab and create new. Here you can set the dates, weekly schedule and fine-tune it. And what to do if restore point creation doesn't open or doesn't work. Check if the service that is responsible for it is disabled. Open the services and find Volume Shadow Copy in the list. It should be in either manual or automatic mode, but not disabled. That's it. Rate this video with your like and write if you have ever used restore points. And if not, do you think it will be useful to you? Watch other videos on the pcnp channel. A subscription and a bell will help you with this. See you on the air.